Hello and welcome to the Exodus channel, your home for Exodus tutorials and crypto videos. Hit those like and subscribe buttons so you are always kept in the crypto hyperloop. In this video, we're going to learn how to earn crypto rewards and easily set up a crypto passive income by staking crypto. This does not require any technical knowledge. The rewards app in Exodus makes it super simple to earn crypto rewards on the assets you hold in your wallet. Some assets automatically earn crypto rewards just for holding the asset, while others may require a click or two. If you don't already have Exodus on your computer or mobile phone, tap the link in the top right for a free download or visit exodus.io. Just download and you're ready to go. We'll quickly go over how to earn crypto on the desktop app followed by the phone app. So here we are in Exodus. First, go to Settings and tap the Apps tab. If you don't have apps enabled, just flip the toggle on. Find the Rewards app, click Install, and open. Okay, the first thing we see is an overview of our staked holdings, like the total amount being staked reflected in your local currency and your total earnings. Hover over the circle segments to see individual asset details. And just below, we see cryptocurrencies that have reward earning potential and their APY interest rates. Each crypto asset you see here has its own rules on how staking crypto is managed. Let's quickly go through them. First up, we have Algorand with an APY rate of over 5%. The Algorand network stakes algo tokens by default, so you just need to hold algo tokens in your wallet to accumulate rewards. You can claim rewards when you're ready by clicking the Get Reward button and claim algo rewards. Cosmos, the project attempting to build the internet of blockchains, has one of the more generous interest rates. If you send Cosmos Atom to your Exodus wallet, you will not automatically get rewards. You'll have to pop in and manually set the amount you'd like to stake. But once staked, your Atom will begin generating rewards immediately based on the staked amount. You'll need to claim your rewards at some point, but don't worry, the rewards you earn are yours. And if you don't claim them right away, that's okay, you can claim them anytime. Next is Neo, a smart contracts platform that distributes a token known as Neo Gas. When you hold Neo, there's no need to take any action. Neo Gas rewards accumulate automatically. You can claim your rewards whenever you're ready. Tezos, the scalable smart contract platform, has a lovely interest rate. When you stake Tezos, you're actually staking your address. All XTZ held at your Tezos address is considered staked and will earn crypto rewards while staking is active. Rewards are automatically sent to your wallet periodically based on your Tezos balance. VeChain, the supply chain management blockchain, distributes VeThor tokens every 10 seconds based on the amount of VeChain tokens you hold. There is nothing you need to do here. If you hold VeChain in Exodus, your VeThor tokens are automatically being sent to your VeThor wallet. Now, for our Exodus mobile app users, assets that can earn crypto rewards have a badge that displays interest rate. Pop into the wallet and click the badge in the top right corner to access the staking and rewards feature for that asset. Easy peasy. Let us know in the comments which assets you're earning interest on, and if this video helped, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more Exodus crypto videos, and thanks for watching.